There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack in white knuckle with rhomby illuminated air catcher headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 4-piston front brakes, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SRT performance pages, launch control with launch assist, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90624A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.